Okay, so this is my MGA project. I've bought myself a shrink stretcher, and I'm going to try and use it for the first time. This is some rots on the window, around the window outside, and I'm going to attempt to make a piece that fits in here and goes up there and replaces the void. Well, that's quite rotten, I mean really rotten. So let's see how we get on. I've cut myself, I'm just about to start to put a bend in this sheet of steel, and then I'll cut it out, and then I'll get onto the shrink stretcher, which is over here, and see if I can get it shaped up. So this is the sheet metal folding tool that I made. It's just a couple of simple hinges on there and some steel, and basically you put feed the sheet of metal in, and then you pull this up and it puts a nice 90-degree bend in that you can see. I've got to say I'm really impressed with the machine. It looks really smooth the way it's pulled it round, and that now fits in here. So I might have overcooked it slightly at the top, I'm not too worried. And now I'm going to change and stretch out this section here, and that hopefully will pull that metal around. So now I've stretched around this edge, and it's taken a little bit of finessing, but I'm really quite pleased with this. So now that you can see that edge now is pretty much there, pretty much now. Now I've got to trim this to fit just along the edges and up here, and then make a piece that runs along the bottom to fill in. You can see there where all the holes are, so I can get back to some good steel. So there we go, it's the piece finished, or finessed a bit. I need probably needs a little bit more work, but that's going to slot in there, and that's it. So what I need to do now is just mark out around the edge, use this as a template, and then cut the remaining steel away from the bodywork and then slot that in and weld it up. But I'm really quite pleased about that, how that's turned out, not bad.